Now student, we will discuss most important topic related to your book Science of Course and Physics, law of reflection of light. You know student, law of reflection of light, the reflection of light on going from one medium to another takes according to two laws which are known as the law of reflection of light. These are giving below. According to first law, what is first law? According to first law of refraction of light, the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal at a point of incident all lie in the same plane. This is AO. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray. This is at a point of incident. This is normal. लाई इट सेम प्लेन. ठीक है, ये आपका सेम प्लेन है. एयर और ग्लास के जो बीच का है उसको आपने सेम प्लेन का नाम दे दिया है. क्लियर? अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट लॉ, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन? लिसन केयरफुल. द इंसिडेंट रे, दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे at the normal of point of incident O all lie in the same plane. For example, figure A. Okay, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is point of incident, this is normal, lie at same plane. Okay, clear? Now second law. What is second law? The second law of reflection giving the relation between angle of incident and the angle of reflection. Second law है जो हमको इंसिडेंट एंगल और रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगल का जो दोनों में संबंध रिलेशन शो करता है. ओके, क्लियर? तो इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? सेकेंड लॉ, जो इसे स्नेल का लॉ भी कहते हैं. द रिलेशन वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय स्नेल इन एक्सपेरिमेंट इन 1621. ओके, क्लियर? 1621. Okay, clear? So so the second law, what is second law? The ratio of sine angle of incident to the sine angle of reflection is constant for giving pair of media. ठीक है, इन दोनों का क्या करता है? रेशियो को शो करता है. सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. ओके, क्लियर? What is second law? The ratio of sine angle, the ratio of sine angle noted by I, the ratio of sine angle noted by I, angle of incident to the sine of angle of reflection, sine angle of reflection noted by R, sine angle. Okay, constant for giving pair of media. Okay, दोनों पेयर का क्या है? कांस्टेंट है. सपोज sin I upon sin I means sine of angle of incident I, sine of angle of reflection R is equal to constant. This constant is called refractive index. Okay, clear? This constant is called refractive index denoted by small n. Okay, clear? Now will we discuss next topic, refractive index. Okay, we will now discuss the refractive index somewhat detail. Now student, next topic discuss refractive index denoted by small m. You know student, you have already studied that the ray of light that travel obliquely from the one transparent medium into another, okay, will change its direction in the second medium, first medium to second medium. The extent of change in direction that take place, it's giving pair of medium expressed in terms of refractive index. The constant appearing to on the layer on the equations. Okay, constant, this is constant n. Okay, this is called constant n. Okay, consider a ray of light. Firstly discuss refractive index. You know student, the ray refractive index can be linked in important physical quantity of relative speed of propagation of light in direction media in term of out that a light propagation with different speed of different media. Light travel the faster in vacuum with a highest speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In air the speed of light only marginally is less compared to that the vacuum. It's reduced considerable in glass or water. The vacuum of a refractive index for giving pair of media depending upon the speed of light in two media as giving below. Firstly understand, consider a ray of light travel from one medium into medium second. This is medium first, this is ray of light, ray of light. Okay, this is ray of light. Okay, repeat, consider a ray light traveling from one medium, this is the first medium, this is second medium. Okay, traveling first medium to second medium as shown in figure. Clear? Now let us V1. What is V1? V1 is speed of light medium first. V2 is denoted what? Medium speed of light medium second. Okay, V2 will be speed of light medium second. The refractive index of medium second with respect to medium first. Medium second with respect to medium first. The refractive index of medium second with respect to medium first given by the ratio of speed of light in medium first and with speed of light in medium second. This is usually represented by symbol n21. Speed of light medium first, speed of light medium second. n21 1 upon 2 v1 v2. v1 first one say medium first, medium second, speed of light medium first, speed of light medium second. Clear this equation by the same argument. The refractive index medium first with respect to medium second. Now last discuss second to first. The second speed of light second medium with respect to 1, but here first to second is denoted by 1 2 symbol. The equation is second medium to first medium, speed of light second medium to respect to medium first. Okay, clear? Now light we know it is simply the represented n21. Okay, clear? Firstly 1 2. Now the medium is vacuum, then the refractive index medium 2 is considered with respect to vacuum 1. This is called the absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index is very important. Okay, the light in air and the speed of light in media, the refractive index of medium nm is given by what is nm? Nm, speed of light in air, speed of light in medium. Okay, the absolute refractive index of medium is simply called as refractive index. Clear? और डिटेल में यदि हम इसकी स्टडी करेंगे तो पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में आपको सेंड कर दूंगा, काफी डिटेल में आप स्टडी कर सकते हैं. नाउ यहाँ आपका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ ला एंड रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट क्लियर हुआ. अब हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में स्टडी करने जाएंगे लेंसेज की. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट. यदि आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो, यदि कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हो, तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं और उसका सॉल्यूशन मैं जरूर करूँगा. थैंक यू सो मच.